Hey everyone, my name is Malik Larmash and I'm the program manager at Refcode.
And
We're
I'm,
asking,
oh, sorry.
oh, sorry, go for it. No, no, go,
I'm
Brenton.
I'm Brenton
Sorry for
Strine,
interrupting. Yeah.
and I'm Brenton Strine, and I'm the program director and founder of Refcode. Sorry, Malik, go ahead.
No, you're fine. You're fine. We're here asking for $25,000 because we would like to build a learning platform for Refcode. Now we have multiple programs, we have mentorships, we have volunteers, we have students, we have also graduates, but the only way to communicate with them is through Slack. So if a student want to start their homework, they're going to go into the Slack channel, the general channel, and they're going to say, hey, everyone, I'm starting my homework. This is not a really good practice. So what we're want to build is a learning platform that can monitor and track the student progress and the volunteer progress as well. We have volunteers who has weekly meeting with the students to check with them how they're doing and how their homework progress is going, how is the class is going. So having this learning platform is really necessarily not only to track and monitor the progress of the student, but also to host all the content and the videos of the actual course. Now we have to redirect the students to a YouTube channel, to another resources, just because we don't have our own learning platform. And Brenton can say more about how is the issue
Yeah,
is facing us and affecting the learning path for the students.
yeah. I think the problem we have right now is that what we're teaching is we're teaching people how to become software engineers. And so we're not teaching the traditional academic only way of teaching where there's maybe a module, a lecture, a lesson, some homework, and you track all of that and that's it. We're trying to teach the full professional skills. In fact, we often say that we teach the skills that are normally only learned on the job. And that means that we need our learning platform to capture all of the sorts of things that might exist in a real software engineering role. That's things like task tracking software like JIRA, software development platforms, IDEs, videos. There's a whole range of things, but one, we can't afford to pay for all those licenses for every single student. And two, those are far too complex to have beginners. So we need to build a learning platform that teaches all these professional skills and all these professional tools in a simplified way that can be tracked and managed by a teacher and that can be spread across the entire classroom. So I'll take one example of swim lanes or Kanban boards, which there's many of free options. So in the past, we've had to use something like Trello when we're teaching Kanban boards. But the problem is Kanban is not built for an entire classroom to have every single student working on their own version of the same homework. So we're fundamentally at odds with the way that a lot of these tools are built because we're doing it in a classroom environment, but also replicating a professional environment. So this is a major problem in the way that the existing educational curricula, the existing educational tools exist. And we've been kind of piecemealing things together, and we need a unified platform that can do all of it for us. And this will enable us to teach our classes more efficiently. It'll put less burden on the instructors, and it'll allow the students to succeed and become software engineers with this, like we say, with the skills that are normally only learned on the job.
I have a question, Brenton. Who's gonna build the platform?
Great question. We're going to build it in-house using
Yeah.
refugees and immigrants who have come through our own program, who need experience in order to get their jobs, and they can't get that experience in other ways. And so we're going to actually pay a living wage to our participants to build this. And that'll give them the experience that they need, both the knowledge and that extra experience, but also just the resume item to get them a great life-changing career.
Can I be part of the project?
You will be.
That's awesome.